Hey, what's up you guys? It's your girl Jackie here, and I am back with another video. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning in, but do not forget to subscribe at the end of this video and make sure you tap the notification bell so you will be notified every single time I upload content and you will not miss anything that I have going on. Finally step outside of the box and create an elongated cut crease. This is totally outside of my comfort zone, so if you're interested in knowing how I create this look and the products that I use, keep on watching.
So for this look, I prime my eyes with the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C10.5, and like always, I'm just applying that to the entire lid and blending it out. And as you can see, I am lifting my brow just because I don't want to mess up my brow, but I do want to bring that concealer all the way up because I will be bringing my shadows kind of high. So for the first shade, we're going to go into the Juvia's Place Warrior 3 palette, and we're going to pick up that pretty burgundy-ish fuchsia shade. For some reason, it's coming up like a fuchsia on camera, but it's more of a burgundy. So I'm just going to place that in my crease, and as you can see, I am doing an elongated cut crease, something that I don't normally do, but I'm trying to do different things now. So the brush that I'm using to place that color in is the brush out of the Jackie Aina times Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I'm just placing that, like I stated, in my crease and blending it up. So I want to deepen my crease a little bit, so I'm going into my Morphe 35V palette, and I'm picking up that black, and the brush that I'm using is my Morphe M506 brush, and I'm just going to place that black right into the crease and blend it upward, and this is going to deepen my crease to give it a little bit more drama. So for my lid shade, I'm going to go into the Jackie Aina palette, and I'm going to pick up that shade Soleil and pack that on my entire lid. And the brush that I'm using is out of one of my Profusion palettes. It's just like a flat eyeshadow brush, so I'm just packing that on. And yes, I did cut my crease off camera, guys. I'm sorry, but this one took way too long, so I just had to cut the entire clip. Moving on to the eyeliner, I am winging out my eyeliner, and I'm using the applicator from the Wet n Wild Mega Liner, but I'm actually using the Essence Beauty liner itself. So yeah, if you guys watched my last video, I was mentioning that I just switched the applicator. I love the Wet n Wild applicator, but I love the formula to the Essence Beauty liner. Now moving on to this glitter, y'all. This glitter was something that I chose to do last minute, and I really don't recommend doing it with loose glitter because it just gets all over the place. I should have waited until I purchased the glitter liner. Would have made it so much easier for me, but I just wanted to try it. So I just used some eyelash glue and drew the line above the liner, the black liner, and just place the glitter on. So I had to go back and forth like where the glitter fell. I just used a clean spoolie to kind of get the glitter off the areas that I didn't want it, and then I went back in with my eyeliner and just cleaned up those areas. And like I stated before, I don't recommend using a loose glitter because you don't get that smooth look. It gets kind of bumpy if you have to clean it up a little bit with the liner. So I recommend just a glitter liner itself. It will be much cleaner. So I'm going to pop these lashes on, and the lashes that I'm using are the B lashes in the style Be Daring. And I will have her information listed below. I know I stated that in my last video, but I did forget to list it, so I apologize for that. So now I'm moisturizing with my Pond's moisturizer. And then I'm going to prime my face with the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. And then we're going to move on to foundation. So for the foundation today, I'm using my Old Faithful Black Opal Cream Stick in the shade Truly Topaz. And I haven't used this in so long, but it was one of my absolute favorite foundations. Now I'm just highlighting under my eyes and my forehead, all those places. You know how it goes. I'm using the Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer in the shade Natural Sand. And then for my contour, I'm using the Black Opal Cream Stick in the shade Beautiful Bronze. So I want to make sure that this application is as flawless as it can be. So I'm going to set under each eye as I blend it out. And I'm setting with the Black Radiance Loose Setting Powder. So to set my contour and bronze up my face, I'm using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark Deepest. And now I'm just setting my entire face with my Maybelline pressed powder in the shade 340, and I believe that is the shade Toffee. I believe I'll have it listed below, but I think it's Toffee. So yeah, I'm just setting my entire face with that pressed powder, and this gives you more of a full coverage look. So for blush, I'm using the Wet n Wild Apricot in the middle. No, this is the Mellow Wine. I'm using Mellow Wine for my cheeks. And I'm going to line under my eyes with the Wet n Wild Color Icon Stick. And then I'm just going to smudge that out with that burgundy shade out of the Warrior 3 palette. Now I'm just putting on a little bit of mascara to blend my natural lashes with the falsies, and so you don't see like any light spots from where the concealer may have touched the lashes, and everything blends in really nice. And of course I'm setting my face, and now I'm using my Ruby Kisses All Over Glow in the shade, I believe it's Bronze Glow. And y'all, this stuff is so amazing. I bought this years ago and I probably used it at that time, and then I stopped using it. and I just purchased another one, and I absolutely love this stuff. It's the best highlighter ever. So I'm going to go ahead and clean my lips up and then just touch up my foundation around my mouth. And the lip liner that I'm applying is my LA Girl lip liner in the shade Brown. And then you guys know I always go for a nude lip, especially when my eyes are a little dramatic. So I'm going to be using my Ruby Kisses matte lipstick in the shade Bare Nude, and then I'm going to top it with Morphe's lip gloss in the shade Boho. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray my face one more time with my Morphe setting mist. And that concludes my look, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this look. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.